Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how we can move layers in your project on Photopea really quickly. So let's get started. So what you want to do, guys, let's say you have an image or photo like that here as one layer. So let me add a second layer just for demonstration purposes. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add a rectangle with its own layers. So select the rectangle here on the left sidebar and let me place it somewhere here. So as you can see, that layer here has been added to my list of layers. So I can move these layers around, for instance, to change the order or the position of them. For example, if I left click and hold on that layer here and move it at the top, it will be placed in the foreground so that I can now see the item or object associated with the layer in the foreground, which in this case here is the rectangle. But I can also hide objects and items by simply positioning the layer in the lower regions of that layer list. For example, put that background image at the top of my layer list. So now the rectangle is hidden behind that image or that layer. And that's all to it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.